Hello friends, welcome to Cheryl's Topsy-Turvy Recipes. I hope you all are well, fit and fine. Friends, today is Makkar Sankranti. So today I am going to make khichdi and red pumpkin curry. So while making it, I will show you the ingredients. I hope you all will like it. Friends, to make the khichdi, I am going to put potatoes, cauliflower and some peas. I have taken rice over here. You can see this is moong dal and this is rice. With this measurement I have taken the rice 2.5 and the moong dal with this measurement 1. So friends, while making the khichdi I will show you what I am going to use, the rest of the things. Friends, this is the red pumpkin. You can see this also I am going to make today. This also I will show you how I am going to make it. Friends, first of all I will fry the potato and the cauliflower. Friends, the oil is turned hot. First I will fry the cauliflower and then the potatoes. The cauliflower, I'll let it fry. Friends, the cauliflower is fried up, you can see. Now I will take it out. Now in the same oil I will fry the potatoes also. Friends, the potato also are fried up. Now I'll take them out. Friends, to make the khichdi, now I'll put in some mustard oil. I will let the oil turn hot. I have taken some jeera and some dry chilies. You can see this I will put in. I have chopped up 3 onions. This also I will put in. I will let the onions fry. The onion is turned golden brown. You can see. Now I will put in the peas. The peas I will put in now. I will let the peas fry a little bit. Friends, I have chopped up tomatoes, 2 big tomatoes. This also I will put in now. I will let the tomato fry along with the peas and onion. Friends, the tomato also is fried up with the peas and onions. You can see it. You see? Now I will put in the rice. And the moong dal. I washed it and kept it. Put in the salt. Put in the turmeric powder. And mix it well. Put in the fried potatoes. Last of all I will put the cauliflower, because if I put the cauliflower now it will break. So while taking down the khichdi I will put in the cauliflower. The potato I put in. Now I will add some water and the khichdi will cook. Friends, I added the water. I have taken 3 green chilies. I slitted it. This I am putting inside. Cover it up. Let it cook. Friends, you can see the khichdi bubbling so nicely. Even the potato also is cooked up nicely. It's cooked up. Now I will put in the cauliflower. Friends, I put in the cauliflower. Now I will put in some coriander also. I will not put the cover now because this dish is gone full. I will let the water turn little less. The first time which water I put, that was dried up. So second time I put some more water. So this water has to dry up a little bit. Then I will take down the khichdi. Friends, the khichdi is ready. You can see how nice it's looking. Now I will get ready with the pumpkin recipe. I said I will make curry, but I will not put masalas in it, in the pumpkin. So the khichdi is made up. For the pumpkin recipe, in the same oil which I have fried cauliflower and potato, in the same oil I will fry the red pumpkin. Friends, I have cut up the red pumpkin this size. You can see this I will fry now. Friends, you can see the pumpkin frying. I won't take this out from the karai. You can see the oil in the middle here. I will put some pachforan in the middle there. I put in the pachforan. I put in the pachforan. Now I will mix it this way. You can see all the pachforan on the pumpkin. Now I will put some turmeric powder. Put some chili powder. Put the salt to taste. Now I will add some water. I've added some water. Now I will cover it up and let it cook. Friends, you can see the pumpkin recipe. Now I will put some coriander leaves in it. Pumpkin recipe, curry type, is ready. Friends, the khichdi. You can see the khichdi is ready. And the pumpkin curry also is ready. You can see. I hope you all will like this video. Thank you for watching my video.